Urban Garden Revolution 2025. How city dwellers are growing more with less. The world in 2025 is witnessing an exciting shift. Urban gardening is no longer just a hobby. It's a movement as cities grow denser and the climate continues to challenge traditional agriculture. Urban residents are finding innovative ways to turn balconies, rooftops, and even indoor shelves into productive green spaces. With food prices increasing globally and people more health conscious than ever, the urban vegetable garden is experiencing a renaissance, driven by technology, sustainability, and the need for food independence. In the heart of this revolution is the concept of vertical gardening. By using multi-tier shelves, hanging pots, and wall-mounted systems, gardeners are maximizing limited space. The integration of hydroponics and aeroponics, soil-free growing methods, has allowed even the smallest apartment to host a thriving garden. Nutrient-rich water and LED grow lights simulate optimal conditions, making it possible to grow herbs, lettuce, and strawberries in the middle of a city without natural sunlight. Urban dwellers are repurposing furniture, reusing plastic bottles, and adapting storage racks into lush, edible displays. Equally important is the rise of community-based microgardens. In 2025, residents are coming together to transform underused spaces like parking lots, abandoned lots, and rooftops into shared green patches. These communal gardens offer more than just vegetables. They create a sense of unity, purpose, and local resilience. New policies in many cities now support these efforts with seed libraries, tool-sharing hubs, and city-funded compost programs. The trend toward planting native species and climate-resilient vegetables like kale, okra, and amaranth ensures these gardens thrive even in unpredictable weather conditions. The final pillar of the 2025 garden movement is smart gardening technology. Affordable IoT-based sensors and mobile apps now let gardeners track soil moisture, pH levels, and plant health in real time. AI-driven systems recommend optimal watering times, suggest fertilizing schedules, and even alert users when pests are detected. These smart tools are designed to be beginner-friendly and accessible, supporting busy urbanites who want to grow their own food without a steep learning curve. With automation features like drip irrigation and auto-fertilization, gardening is more efficient and sustainable than ever. This urban garden revolution is not just about plants. It's about reclaiming control over our food, our health, and our environment. From vertical farms in kitchens to community plots on rooftops, city gardening in 2025 is thriving, beautiful, and here to stay.